Good day all my fire friends. Today I want to show you one of my secrets for a 360 turn over a campfire. A lot of times we struggle to turn something totally around and it's so cheap you won't believe it. Okay, you need the number 3 fishing swivel. Yes, you buy them in a packet of 10. It's really a cheap solution for the 360 turn. What I've done here, I just add a key ring to it just to make it a bit bigger, that it fit all over. And you can add another one on the other side if you want to. Most of our braais and things got the hook like this. And there's your solution. You just hang it over and you've got your stainless steel hook at the bottom with your meat on, and you turn it 100% 360 degrees without any problems. You can also, if you're in the veld or in the bush or in the woods, hang it over a branch, piece of wire. You can hang it from the top over the fire, lower and make it higher when needed. So it's very simple. And then I use a stainless steel hook to hook it to the meat. But if you don't have that, you can make a wire hook with a piece of wire. It's as effective. Okay, to show you how to use your swivel for your 360, I've got 2 lamb ribs that I just asked the butcher to cut through on the bone side. You will see we just cut it through, that he break the bone for you. And then I'll dry brine it with coarse salt and pepper. And then just on the other side, I just cut it through the skin, little blocks that you can get it heat and get the heat through to the meat. Okay, I'll just hook the meat with the stainless steel hook, and I hook it into the swivel. But here I just want to show you on my barbecue how I can move this around, and not only can I turn it totally around, I can also set it up and down, lower it or make it higher. The important part for me here with this method is that you can aim for the thicker parts and then you can go for the bone side. I've got a little tray, a drip tray at the bottom. Our focus is the bigger side, or the thicker side, as well as the bone. You can see we use the heat of the fire to barbecue this, and later on we will get coals around the drip pan that make it a bit easier to get that parts also nice and crispy. Okay, we now about 2 hours on the bone side and the thicker side. We need to change it now. I just want to show you how simple it is to take it off. You just need something to hook it and put it flat, because what we want to try and do now is the top side must go to the bottom and the bottom side must go to the top. There you can see we just want to. Okay, here you can see now we also bring coals around at the bottom. We've got two tin filling plates where we catch up all the fat. This is more for the cholesterol police that they can see we get most of the fat out of the lamb rib because it can be fatty. And the nice bad part, if you do it once a year, you can put that now tomorrow when it's cooled on your hot pot bread, or you can bake tomorrow morning your eggs in that fat. Wonderful if you're in the bush. There's your final product. I just bake a pot bread on the side to eat with the meat. You can see where we cut it on the skin. It's really very nice and crispy. And it takes you about 3 hours, 2 hours on the bone and the thick side, and then just an hour on the other side. But don't hurry this. Make sure your coals is not too hot. Take your time, and it's something wonderful what you can enjoy with your family if you've got the time. There's all the cholesterol. You can see I use a lot of coals around it also.